From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 28th question of NECO 2025 is on bearing. It says the bearing of north 75° west can also be expressed as what in 3-digit bearing. So let's represent north 75° west. So this is North Pole, this is south, this east, this west. So north 75° west is somewhere here. And so this is 75. This is not 75° west. So in 3-digit bearing, we're just looking for its equivalent, right? That is subtracting it from 360. So north 75° west is simply 360 minus 75, and that is 285 degrees. That is what north 75° west is in 3-digit bearing. That is E. Thank you for watching.